How to report and delete someone's Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a lot of you guys were asking this question. So in today's video, we're gonna find out how we can delete or report someone's Facebook account. Now without further ado, start by opening the Facebook app on your device. And make sure that you're logged in to your Facebook account. And once you have opened the app, simply go to the profile that you want to report. And once you are in their profile, simply tap on the three dot located on their profile page. And from the menu, simply tap on report profile. After that, tap on specific post. Now select the post that you want to report and follow the on-screen instructions and choose a reason such as posting inappropriate content or any other relevant option. And after submitting the report, you can either mark the profile as fake or tap done to finish the process. While reporting helps flag problematic accounts, keep in mind that deleting someone's account is not in your control. Facebook will review your report, and if they find the profile violates the policy, for example, it have been posting some spams or miscellaneous behavior on the Facebook, they will take necessary action which may include disabling or deleting the account. And if Facebook does not find any issue with the profile, no action will be taken. And with this, I hope this clear things up for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.